Hello to all video game lovers. Today, I bring you exciting news about JustPlay and its innovative method to earn great rewards in dollars with very little effort. Would you like to know how you can do it? The first step to make the most of this opportunity is to perform this trick at night, because that's when JustPlay offers the biggest rewards. Secondly, make sure to have the automatic game mode activated on Master. This will allow you to maximize your earnings without having to constantly monitor the game. The third key tip is to play from 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. During this period, the rewards are even greater and you can accumulate points quickly. Lastly, the most important thing is consistency. I recommend trying this method for at least a week to see real results. In my case, I earned almost $20 in just 5 days, and I'm excited to share it with you. If you decide to try it, be sure to leave your comments below and let us know how it went. And if you enjoyed this video and found this information helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks about JustPlay and much more. Let's grow this community of smart gamers.